Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Follow you into this church right now. This man is your future husband. This man is going to make the best of your life. This man is very good. This man is very nice. This man is your future husband. This is what God told me to tell you. Now the woman can say, I don't understand. This man is not the type I want. I don't want men now. Men don't play me ball before. The ball where they play me before I know what they happen, they score me 3-0. And the children, they Nigeria. I never feel carry them from Europe. This one where I just sit there, my way say I don't charge body for grand. Oh, my body don't fair for grand, don't come up for suffer. I will just sit jam another man and I be say I enjoy myself. Oh, now pastor prophesy for a pastor use prophecy to pass everywhere. Because Oibo, the guest he get Oibo. He can't tell pastor say no pastor. Make I follow this Oibo. Now Oibo now I like because Oibo go repair my life. Pastor say future not do Oibo. Future not do Oibo. Follow this black man. This black man will do everything we define for you. Hey, now this sister say wala wa bere na o wala no je bi keke. I want do this one. Pastor don't talk you finish waka. Before you know it, brother carry mat. He carry follow ground the way the normal toasting now. Brother carry toasting food everywhere now. You toasting lalo egbeya. He toast am from head to toe. Toast am where give am different style. Give am all the tactics where the girl never see for this life. Before you know what they happen, and the girl say maybe I'll touch like this brother. Oh, it not the fiakieri. Okay. When it come the fiakieri and this sister sabi do hair. Now all these people where be say if they sabi they do hair, their hand they walk. Okay. They don't have to use it until they walk. Now the sister say I be say I no agree for this man, but waiting they call the happen and the man are waiting. The French people they call sans papier. He himself wey be say the man life for grant. He na also sans papier. Now the lady say okay, I go green. Before you know what they happen, the lady don't green. Ipedina defiakebi. Ipedi defiakebi. Pikin con. That is where the journey started and the story begin. Before we know what is happening, my people, now the man come tell the lady say, "How we walk on wakana? Go remove this belle." Now the sister come say, belle? You will be say they beg me since. You they tell me everything. Say pastor can't even professor. I say I'll be your future wife. Now you can't tell me maybe can't go remove belle. I not go remove her because this time when I be like say brother don't come back to his senses. He don't understand Germany. He don't understand everything where they happen. Say this lady now start waiting. Yeah. The matter can't get killed. Before I know what they happen. Now this lady say I not gonna remove belle because I don't know whether another blessing will be say God give me for you and be this. The lady and the brother come they drag themselves up and down. They come they drag. Before they drag this shot that finish, my people drag themselves go left and right. Waiting happen. Now brother can say okay. Now, what we go do for you? I will go carry Percy come. He get way where my friend tell me for this Germany. Say they organize everything. You know that way now. I will carry that person because that person get a bad where this say our people they call Bible. The person get Bible. I'll go carry person where get Bible come. This person where get Bible, he go come pull hand. He go come talk say right so that the everything go just rhyme for the first speaking. Now sister say go let us touch light. He go with pa, a pass say he no get money. I will want to pay. A pass say you will find money, oh. You go find money. Now the guy say, okay, go find money. I won't work as start come begin the meto, they go. They plate her from one place to another. They plate her, they join the susu. He go now do baby go. Now brother can say, okay, 6 money they gram before a pet did not dey fear became one. Make he go find person where carry the Bible for hand come. Sister can go carry the brother can go carry the person where get Bible come. As he carry person where get who be this way they put red there for my this thing. As he carry the person where get Bible come, person where get Bible, he can pull the something can't do okay for the sister. And something can't do okay for the sister don't get one night the brother can say, oh. Sister can't they wait. He and the man, he can't they walk. He can't they fire. They can't they fire down. They can't they fire down. They can't they fire down. The something be no one enter again. So that brother is safe. Go use that to organize the safe for Germany, which is the second momo in back home. They can't define the second momo. I want to work out for the second momo matter. We will define so. I'm me and your plan sister my. Oh, make this my husband see this thing. Make it green rich in hand. Make it rich in hand. Make it rich in hand. Sister can't they chop everything they go. Before una know wetin dey happen so, na God come bless them. After 2 years, he pet the way na go gbe the fiake bi igbomiza. The man come dey thank God dey celebrate say, "Oh Saloba we say oh, thank God oh, the thing wey dey find since don reach hand oh, make people come join us celebrate oh." Before you know wetin dey happen, they come this time around na brother turn to come put hand say na him be the pa. May come say na him be the papa so that in own in own this thing. How na they call am? So that in own this thing, he go come out because he never get this thing before. The first one where business start getting a person I put Bible. This time around, you own this thing, make the own this thing from come out. Now so the brother can say alright, he come put hands. Yana do iwe okay certificate yogo mo iramiri be father chafi ya iramiri yana gbele ayo my people. As they just do a con, na brother can collect na the government can't do one, it can't give brother this thing after a lot of suffering. As brother just carry this thing, he never even reach 1 week. Brother just okay ticket. Brother say where am I flying to? I want to go to Nigeria. He come tell sister say, sister, wetin dey there be say, make you gather money, make you look for something. They take bring money. You need to support this my joint. Now sister say, this way we define since. We dey say make God do and make this thing enter your hand. It never enter your hand. We don't suffer. Now pikin don come, they just they give you this thing. You know if you say make you use this thing, take what small, take feed the hours. You don't buy ticket say they go Naija. Now brother say you go waiting Naija. Sister join and support the journey, everything. Brother do waiting. He buy tico. He enter Naija with as a big boy, as a big guy. And so brother enter Naija. As brother enter Naija finish, he not even say make he even get and take greet my sister family and everything. Brother first of all go greet the family. They say now almost 1,700,000 ways going for your family. Mama no even see brother there. Brother do all those journey. He come back to waiting. Germania. He come back to Germania. When brother come Germania now so the whole story come begin. Before I know what it happen. That one way fed Italy where be say he born for at that time. Where he born for where he dey here also. Where that woman don't move on. Where be say another one I be that one. Brother come also the waka. Brother don't change character. Everything don't do okay. Brother don't balance. But that not the talk where brother not they talk before. Now brother can they talk. All the law where brother not they put for us. Brother can they put on. All the power where brother not get before. He can't get everything. He can't they make crew. Where they can't they make this our sister say. He can't they fall into waiting depression. Because this brother was very soft. You not can understand this matter. They can say not be so you be before. What it can happen? All the law where they say you know they put for ground again. Nah law now matter now we can't do so. Now so, now everything to begin my brother because the brother don't get a bed where for waiting for a year. Now brother can't they go, he can't they ski. Can't go they hide, they see that sister will be say you know for Italy before. As he go dey sit down for corner, this sister wey dey house, meaning na 2 women, na brother come for Germany. So the one wey be say e dey house na, that one no capisci, that one no understand say brother dey come on go dey sit down for there, brother dey come on go dey na come go e go dey shine o. Wetin brother come go dey do o, sister no come understand. But only say sister come dey wonder say wetin dey happen. He no fit understand wetin dey happen. Before you know it, e be like say I no know as these 2 sisters come dey connect. This one wey give am a beso, the second woman wey give am a beso, na the first one he and na come talk, they come gossip brother matter. E be like say na one come find one, God come do one, he come connect. As they come connect, na his sister come carry food, he come dey talk to am. When he come dey talk to am, when the first one come dey talk to the second one, na the second one come say, EJ, this kind thing dey happen for life. So my oga dey follow you dey talk? He say yes. Your oga dey follow me dey talk, he come dey see pikin or everything. Na sister say, oh yegwiwa o, yegwiwa o. Sister come dey cry. Before una know wetin dey happen, my people. Na so sister come carry phone say, make I ask brother. He say, ask am where brother dey. Say brother dey inside bed dey sleep o. May I carry phone go meet am. He say carry phone go meet brother. We carry phone go meet brother. As he reach where brother say, he say uncle abeg no vex. This woman wey dey phone, so he say una dey do wetin communicate every time. He say una dey yarn no pattern, una dey yarn no poro. He say everything see dey go on with una very very well. E be like say na me come be the ugboy wey dey here. Brother, you not forget the sacrifice when I do. Oh, na brother come dey deny am. Brother come dey deny am. Na the girl come tell am say the first one wey dey phone come dey tell brother say you to oge ya, you to oge gbe, oge we bungwe, we gwe me go am phone. Why you dey tell this your wife like say you know they follow me dey talk? Talk true. Now brother can't use that. Can't tell the woman say we vembojo. Okoni na vembojo na vemulakara. Okoni na vemulakara. He can't swear put. Now so wahala take start to. Before you know what they happen, brother says sister where they has not get respect again. Now brother don't jump enter inside where luggage dey. Before we know what they happen, he don't empty luggage. He don't empty cover don't empty everything don't down for luggage. He don't waka. Now sister come the thing say no. What did happen? So maybe brother go see come back. Maybe everything go see do okay. Maybe na dream. Maybe na prank. Sister come they still they form. You know all those forming now. All those forming where we say some of our women they form for this journey. Sister come first see they form. They do say no. This matter we go settle on. If you go outside and sister come forget say a bed don't dey brother hand. Now brother come carry bag go. Brother come waka. As brother just waka na sister see the don yarn up pattern, the yarn up piri for he say as the way say one day brother go come, he go call am for phone say la okay me, or he go call am for phone say everything don do okay, me we come settle. The next thing wey hear say picture don full everywhere, but that don hook up with the 3rd wife for Germany. Wetin brother come do? We don go give the 3rd wife ring. Picture come full everywhere. Congratulations for your new wife. Congratulations for your new wife. Congratulations. And that one, I sister I come open say, man, wait, be say before me come carry the second belly, the money we I even take do a bay. Now me go use my hand where I tell they do hair go work on. Before I even do a bay, come give you, I suffer. You just collect a bay, I never chop for inside. You buy tickets, you go Nigeria, they go enjoy and they come back. Wahala happen, you carry bag come on for my ass. Not be prank oh, na reality dey phone here. I know they do that yeah prank for now. Now next year I go do prank. Before you know what it happen, my people, now sister come dey parabolate for say I want bomb your to man like woman because he marry ben where. When he marry ben where now, where think how where you marry this time and I don for everywhere. The 3rd woman, now brother can go give ring. Meaning not be the one where even give a paper. The 3rd woman I gonna give ring. The story where come there behind the 3rd woman, as he be say we they arrange the whole matter where now be say the 3rd woman, he can't even they happy. That one I still waiting some papier. The 3rd woman come they happy say brother we get paper don't do waiting. He don't come. And they said the 3rd woman a lie, and I even give brother. He want to my brother can be brother where a better because he might tell and say he get with the brother get paper. Brother no know say he no get. And he no know now say brother leg she dey check for Germany and everything never stand. Now sister can just talk like sister say he get a babe. Sister when they go meet a brother na we no me. A brother na we no me. a brother na we no me before you know wetin bet na we dey fear heavy we dey doubt wetin the third woman the third woman wey be say ikpeti dey fear heaviness the third woman agbolo ani na iga momo na iga mu lehin my people a brother na iga tie we kore already a brother o we a bay river may use 2 leg or 3 leg to stand for Germany may everything dey okay but that no know say this pillar wey dey shake e no get foundation. This pillar wey dey shake foundation no dey. It is say the pillar wey dey shake it is say foundation dey. You no know say foundation no dey. You no know say foundation no dey the pillar. You no know say that sister wey be say just go hammer. That sister no get a bay only one be gbooge where he get wetin a bay so that brother go relax calm down where they arrange the whole semen for inside me take carry wetin belle because me I tell am say don't see a brother wey get a bay. Now so the matter can't happen my people. The sister na doa imwe collect yan brother na where mwe correct. But that can't get to the waiting. Now so we take reach to the why for Germany. Before we know what it be happen, if we have na one mujay that mo my people na why you query. Now the second one where be say give her the coup for Germany. Where give her this one for Germany. That is second one where you don't live for us. Where be say don't get 2 children for her. That one see the parabolate for say sorry bon only came in osunu but that mo bogie ne. Germany but that one wokiana sana wokiana gima that one come the parabolate. And see and that one come the quarrel pattern. The time where brother come to understand say the one where carry the tape belle where they carry belle they run they go not get paper. Now that time brother come to say this wahala don pass me. Make I go back to sister where be say he hold me for Germany. Now sister come tell and say, oh did they? Not my house. Never. I no agree me you enter house. Instead of you to enter house, what's it go pass on? Everything we don't do for outside, just carry your bag and everything, go meet them. I no go green. So as they come, they do the something they do and yo, don't offend this sister where before you know it happen. Now but that inmate come just advise am for outside, say drag down, go where court. A court of where seal like court. If you drag and go court, that paper because but that don't they already near renew. This time around, don't they near renew. Reality come the setting. That time, but that never understand what they happen for Germany. It is said they just give you 1 year, you run come out. After everything, you want go renew, you go renew. Maybe they not give out the information way. The time when the brother comes to understand, say no, not be like that. Oh, if you want renew, you need the baby mama. Oh, now brother come they go back. As he can't go back now. Every water door pass Gary. Sister friends don't even tell her. Say you see that paper where they carry come, no sign up for her. If you sign up for her, you go get paper. Because this time around, and I don't many way they life of brother. Before we know it, the apple, the third wife drop aging. Age come before, it come be theory for brother neck. All of them come many, everybody come stand. And the pillar don't stand where the pillar they shake. You see? So my people, what you come there? As we they talk right now, brother just run go with they call Landra Sant. As brother run reach there, he go carry court. He tell they say he want carry this woman, he carry and go court. He can't carry and go court. Now that one come they make the woman body the boy. Be say this still dey Germany. Be say na person, na brother carry person where he can't put Bible for that thing. Brother don't already understand. Say na he bring person where he can't put Bible. Brother come they do wetin blackmailer. Wetin the English people they call so blackmailer. Every time that brother come they tell and say, you know wetin? That paper when I give you, may you sign. If you not sign now, I'll go tell government say this pikin not be you get. We do wetin, we go down together. Now brother come they tell and we do wetin, we go down together. Now sister come they say so now so you do me, eros assume. Okay. Now be you go carry the person where they say you can't sign for this something, where you can't pull hand for this something. Not be you go bring a con, not be our organization, not be our arrangement. Not be you fuck me up. Before I know what they happen, you still go give another one. You go give another one this thing for our side. Now the two of the con they say sister con they get body heat. Sister BP con they go up. Sister BB con they go up. Sister con they get body heat. Say oh brother don't the blackmail and say he want spoil everything for you. And meanwhile, brother forget say if he also spoil you, the woman self will still spoil. Now all of the carry body, they carry go court. When they reach court now, brother just carry pikin wey be say the last pikin wey be say he take collect the ebe. Brother just carry and just hug down. Oh my daughter, my pikin, your mama not dey let me see you for where lawyer and court and judge everything dey. Brother come they do wetin, they dramatize for court so that they will pity am. Your mama not dey let me see you. Your mama not dey let me see you. Your mama not dey let me see you. Now the girl say, see this man, the can't chocolize the woman say, Eric Piagia. Now so this man come they do for you. Now the girl say, okay, he did the matter. Now Josh come say, brother, you know where we on how many times you want they see picking? Brother say go they see only 2 times a month. Now Jama say, we don't do it like that. Once a month is too what? It's too small. We will not allow you to be seeing it 2 times a month, brother. Actually, he say yes. Why am your mom, brother? Why am your mom? You must be carried that picky waiting 2 times. Say week, now brother say lie. Okay. And a brother go court too. Court come tell brother say now 2 times you go come the carry picky. Now brother say lie. The way you take 1 time they talk so now judge tell and say shh. This is Germany. We say maybe they see picky 2 times a week so that the mama also we go they get rest. The table couple say they turn small. They not tell they not tell sister for there say sign paper. Sister not hear anything like paper matter because what brother that can drag and go court for now because say you know they let me they see my children. The matter can't get us before we know what they happen. Now sister just the thing come the bother sister say so now so this life matter be now so this may be. See the way this man they dramatize this man they dramatize for court, my people. Now sorry we enter time according to Benin. Now they go as well. Now Josh come arrange everything for the and tell and say 2 times a week he go complete to one not they come out. That pikin I define you must carry pikin and not be that one be there brother mind do na paper made the woman consign. As the woman they talk to me for today for kitchen and they cook now come tell and say shh. That paper, they're not the first person made the same paper for court. They're not the first person made the same paper. As brother say, "What carry picky? Give a picky make he carry." Wala no tete. As brother can understand that the matter not they pass water. Brother can decide use another system. You can they buy things, they buy everything. Come. When you come they pay this our sister for inside now be say. If brother want buy something, come. If you want to carry pikin play, now 2 pikin, now 2 children, but that girl for inside that house. Only the one where be say government of this country recognize where be say it do a bay. Now let that one brother come they carry. You know they carry 2 of them because 2 of them are in you. But only say 1 for inside. Another person I pull hand for that one before where sister they get a bay. If brother they buy something, come, you know they buy give the first one. If they do shopping, you know they do give the first one. Only this second one where be saying to get a bid. The one where go fit prove big government. Where be say go make government and say okay, sign paper. Now that one they now brother they carry go at. The matter can't get as it be for sister man. They can't they boil and say me not can understand. Now be you me bought these 2 children for. Now brother tell and say oh yeah tell me government. You must be a vanna because he know say if he tell government everything go do waiting. He go sit down for ground. Sister go also get problem. What they call so blackmailing. Now not understand that area. Blackmailing. Now they call that one blackmail. But sister body come the hot too. Sister body temperature come the hot too. Body temperature come the hot too. My brother can do it. Brother can say okay. Make he go the other side. The first woman will be say born for her. Another man don't hold ground for that side. Don't hold that tight. The thing they verse brother. Now brother can say okay. Come you will be the new man where be say you want manage this my first wife. Now me get out. Now me and Ife dey for Italy together. Now the man tell and say not anymore. Not anymore. We are past that era. That was then when he was in waiting in Italy. This time around it's another era. Now brother can the parabole before you know it 2 of the con staff I want to come break one head for inside. Already brother is now in the middle of 2, 3 women. The other one will be say he can't get the other baby. That one come they run, they carry the baby, they go. The time where he can't understand, say brother leg never see stone for ground. That one he be like say he can't they push small wahala for brother neck. Say where do you be no momo? Where do you be ni me? Where do you be no momo? Where do you be ni me? Where do you be no momo? Nah. They can't they tell the truth to the new sister. Say come you not tell brother say you get paper. Why you can't like give brother say you get paper? And that one nah that one can't see understand say okay. No wait to. He not get it, brother not get this thing. This thing brother never complete like that. Now he just come born put. Everybody come sit down for ground. Now the first sister where did there, brother hold on for neck because brother no say na person I put hand for the waiting, the papier. The second sister wey dey this side, brother also hold am for neck because brother know say na person put am for wetin the something. The only one wey be brother o na the third one wey be say brother no even put hand now, brother dey run dey pass everywhere dey go say no go put one because if he put one for that one, water go do wetin e go pass garri. But the only one wey Jama recognize for all this baby wey full everywhere so na only the second child wey be say the second wife e born. Na so second wife her blood pressure come dey go up so second wife come say sister Rita o gume o erena la wo gume mu latin. Brother don hold me for neck. He hold the other wife. Let me forget the other one. Me I cry because now everybody now they cry for this life. Now my own now go cry. This my neck now, brother don't hold on. The kind hold brother hold this my neck now. Come be like say, if they talk say one go tell government say, not be me get a baby and that pikin na waiting na yo. May everybody go down to get that. That is the news, my people. As we are talking right now, sister high blood pressure they go up because brother is about to do waiting to scatter the table out of frustration. And the what you can pay sister pass be say, if brother come, brother they always, if you want buy something come, you go buy for only the one we government recognize. You know they buy for the two. Hey, salo, quite sad. Hey, sana we start la gumege. Because I see and say for your high table, everybody come they check their matter for that, they balance. I come see and say, one woman where you talking matter, you job be like this my own. Now I say make I see carry my own, me I can't give these people la go meta. Ma only I invoice me before. Ima only I invoice me start time. Ma both this eti me ma severi oni awa ya agwan gbagba ni aya te matter na because me to be me aga time ma ona besi go mo da ya ndre Germany avie. Ima oni ante ba me avie because e vena ori mo pa no sister Rita. Go meta me yan la o help me tell them. Make them tell me how I want waka. Now I say we go carry and come out. Me go tell them, make them come tell you how you want waka. The people where don't first enter this kind of situation before. Wait, be say them era, the first pikin, they buy era put. Era can't give the woman a baby. The second pikin where you come born, brother can put your hand. As brother can put on everything, not can work. Brother can the push you say you must sign paper. You say you no go sign that paper. Lie. Are you talk? Are you back? Nah. Brother can they use what they call blackmailing. They push your life. They go. Now command brother. They even command though. You know they talk anything for respect. You know they use respect talk anything. Go just tell and say this one like this one like that. Now no say person where you hold your secret for hand now. Sister they die they go small voices because brother don't know say that secret it don't like this. According to brother now, they go call they come back in on me. Brother mind they tell and say anytime go just run enter ladders and go open mouth. Because frustration, if we must go down, we go down together. Say that you go to Nigeria, you go to wherever they want to take you to. I go to my wherever I want to go to. Now sister can say it too suffer for children. Eh? The way it is suffer, he get 3 children for Nigeria. Where be say they take off, where be say the amount I never even finish. He never even carry the con euro, brother don't come spoil his show. He don't know where pastor for see what is you. Because that time say pastor see him for church. So you see this man will follow you enter church so. Now he be your future husband. Now this man I go give you peace. Now this man I go give you enjoyment. You go enjoy too much all your life with the 3 years. Now see what you can happen. You don't understand the kind enjoyment will be this so. Now blackmail on the face so. He body dey hot so. He not go confess say now say make una come brother come make we come do or me and sign the paper for you because brother don't get interest for his life. The only thing where brother just get interest for now make him come dey see the last pikin. If they see that last pikin, he go come use and tell sign the paper and everywhere go survive for brother life. If they buy ticket they go Nigeria. They go see other baby around because as we there so brother don't you 3 leg take stand for Germany. We don't know how many leg go take stand for Nigeria. My people. Now that will be the matter where they grant. Who be this? Hello.
Hello, Sister Rita. Good evening.
Hey, my brother, how you dey?
Hello, Sister Rita.
Yo.
I dey fine. Now, woman, dey check. Hello.
I dey hear you. We dey hear
Sister
you.
Rita.
Yo.
And you know what in there. I did listen to your the story. You know one thing for this life, greediness at times. Greediness at times it cause problem. Not that the woman she is greedy, she is not greedy. Now what she see for life? I make me wiser, they're not the keep body food.
Yes.
My advice to that sister for every because they say who you don't spoil. It will like make you use you spoil another person. You know. Hence you don't know as the man be.
Yeah.
Make you just forget, make you call the man, make you give him the paper, make you carry go. You understand? Make anything.
And as we dey talk for yes, so immediately the sister just they give him the paper. Immediately this woman just they give this man the paper, and I say the third wife don't get wait to pay. The third wife begin don't get wait to pay.
I dey listen to you since. For the woman who not to spoil because that guy he don't already spoil, so he won't spoil that sister own. You understand?
So my question come be say, how many years that thing till they expire for office? Even after how many years we person put hands, the fit still spoil am. The person fit still go confess to that thing and he go still really spoil. Una get the experience. People where they get the experience of these things, they here. Yes.
Yes. Now Jama will be. You know, Jama they are very very strong, and anything when come to lie like that, the guy they be for Jama. Anything lie, the guy they be for Jama. And I not go lie to you. My advice to that sister: make you not take her, make you not panic. They say what the person not be pay for this life. If he fails, he go know how he go still say accommodate her so that he not go give her high blood pressure. Tell him, make it cut the man, make it forget, make it give her, make no problem. No problem.
And you know, say what is it there be say now? For this Germany where we come this so the way the law be, if you be woman, if you not work, your husband not go get paper. So that sister need to do sacrifice of working, meaning she's working for the husband where not go be waiting. Where he don't go already put it for another person. Hands. How not that matter?
Now okay, if the man go report, now she go lose. Now truth I dey tell you. I tell you the truth. You know, matter, not be by matter. You see, if he no go, if true natural I dey tell you, that man ready to spoil the home. That man don't care. Man when they say if he deceive you, give you belly once, give you belly second time. Now he go drop person when they say he give a bait, and later now he still come out almost 3 women don't, you know. So that kind of man, they know they take her serious. They listen for him to spoil my home. My sister, it's to me, for her to spoil my home, I go give one. If not, what you go make it carry go, no problem. If the man go say her for front, he go say her for front. He get where go call this, you get where the woman will come grow, she get where the woman will come about switch. All those things will come, they will call again. The man go say her for front. That's how it job be. You understand? Make it give one. Make it only you spoil your own because he don't suffer for you. That's truth that they tell you.
Thank you.
You understand? That's truth that they tell you. Make it just give one. Make it.
God bless you.
Make it carry go, no problem.
God bless you. This caller say me give him. Hello.
Marita.
Yo.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. How you dey?
The caller don't finish.
Yes, you don't finish.
Okay, because I watch with other phone. And the person want contribute. May give the man the paper.
Because you dey here for many years. Now here you dey for many years.
Yes.
You understand this thing well.
If that man open man, everything goes well. What the old one?
But because it says since when they take do that thing, I don't reach 4 years. It don't they go 4 years or something.
Even though all of them will go Nigeria, all of them, both the papa, both the mama, you guys here, both the man with one though, all of them will get the same problem. All of them they go Nigeria. So if that man go Nigeria, don't care. Because that man go like this.
No, the man where put hand fit come out himself say he do for the obelefu. He no know say no be you.
No.
That one no fit get problem. Who one no get problem.
Yeah, but that's why they talk. I'm not saying that one will defend himself. Say he do for it, say I know very soon. Fine. But that one will still get small problem like 10%. He will still take lawyer. Yes. He will still, let me say, he will win the case to say, okay, I thought it was mine. But you know, who knows? But those husband and wife, that one they talk about they go down like Nigeria no go to himself. The woman maybe Nigeria goes to himself. Understand?
Even after these 2 children for this country, if you open mouth, it go be problem.
We are put to the man go report. And the man go report, they collect the girl paper. They go court. Do you understand? You cannot come get paper again. So people don't come get paper again. What do you expect? The leg in Nigeria with the children, 50% leg, you know, you don't just book for it again.
God bless you.
The man, The man, you think, this man
Thank
is
you.
very much better at conduct now. You know what I see now? I don't say conduct, I know I can see. Not let anybody see man. Please just keep it right and side. Please give that man the paper. Go and confront that man. You know, man, I tell you one thing. I'll be telling you. For my God hand.
If person do you something, you put am for your God hand.
Yes.
Even my people, as soon as they talk the matter, I see and say when they talk the matter, me una no also forget say I need like and love and also need star.
Yes. So that man not good person. So if one person want to do it, make that man make sure the kitchen do not give the man.
Yes.
Man, make the money like that. Me move on. Me put everything for God hand.
All right.
The man that me and see. No more, no less. No
Thank
more,
you.
no less.
Thank you. May we listen to another person.
Oh.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Oga, you dey. Thank you so much, Sister Ellen, for the start. Thank you. How are you? Good evening.
I'm fine. I listened to your program this evening.
Yes.
Now to make I call. First, to start with, you ask one question just to see whether the 6 point acting
Yes.
is not all that easy like that to spoil.
Oh, thank you for the 500 star. My love, it's not that easy for them to spoil it, Abby.
Yeah, more especially if that baby don't pass 2 years.
If that baby don't pass how many years?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. And it depends on the person who put that Bible initially. There was no doubt from the beginning. Say suspicion, not say it's big.
If they not fair, they suspect the person where put Bible.
From the beginning.
Yes.
You know, there are times they just overlook things, approve the document for the baby. But if they don't first suspect, say, foul play dey somewhere.
Yeah.
If somebody come like that, come talk that thing, they might follow it up. If you go court, make I tell people where they listen. Not be waiting that they talk for street or marketplace, now they talk for court. You must carry a substantial evidence to prove it to the judge. And judge get your own discretion, he can tell you outright. He can afford make you go do DNA for this baby.
Oh, Chimizi Victoria, thank you for the star.
He will tell you, say, this baby don't reach 18 years, you go feel act, holding papa. I can't do it.
So your own suggestion are waiting, make he not listen because waiting me fair no for Germany be say they not go feel it get where the baby they reach. I don't know how many age where they know they feel destroy that thing.
It depends on the court. If you go court, if the matter go court, because administrative case different from court case. Administrative, they can suspend that document. Judge will say they could not give them evidence we did not reach to collect this paper. It's possible.
So now wahala go follow on.
Yes, the only advice I have for the woman, she should just let this issue be.
And I know say it's not easy for somebody to walk, give another person when you know say they go marry another woman. Wait, boo.
Wait, why I dey talk and be say she get her own future, couple with the children where she live for Africa.
Yeah.
Everything depends on what she dey do here. Now she go take sustain those ones with the Africa.
Yeah.
Even if she not sign the paper, let me quickly tell you this. That court where that guy go, if this woman not sign that paper, if this worker establish between father and child relationship, if he maintain her for 6 months to 1 year, they will give her a paper. Without that woman not go sign because he has good relationship.
Yes, that's one I believe it. If he maintain this relationship, we court give her now with that pikin.
Yes. Now the advantage we get, maybe people don't understand. The judge no one give an outright document. Say, go, they could not give an document. Make this woman not sign. It's like.
Thank you, caller. Make people they talk for like 2 minutes. May other people go talk.
Okay, make she just allow things be, make the man get it, and then she dey okay.
Thank
you.
You.
Can't stop that guy. Since the judge now don't prove to make it prove child and father relationship. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
That's Sarita show.
Yes. I dey hear you.
What? Hello, Sarita.
I dey hear you. Continue. Talk. People dey hear you.
Sorry, I didn't watch your.
Star Josephine, how are you? Thank you. Yes.
Hello.
Good evening, love it. How are you? I will listen to you. Continue.
Okay, I watch your show.
Yes.
So I want to talk a little bit. So I listened to what that man was saying. See, I have a friend that this thing happened. I have a friend that this thing happened to.
Yes.
So she gets like 2 children. So she was having problem with the person that put hand on the stuff. So when they took her to the court, there's nothing they would do. She would just tell them that she was dating 2 men. That this other one didn't know that maybe the baby belongs to.
Okay, she will. If the guy finally open up, she go talk say she was dating 2 men.
Yes, of course.
She didn't know.
So you don't know say this he dey cheat on this guy. So you don't know say the person the baby now belongs to this person. They don't get what they go do. This my friend had the same problem and she did the same thing and she told them like that. They didn't do anything. It just took 1 year.
They not collect paper for in hand. Oh, thank you, lovely.
That's right. They didn't collect the papers back.
But the man open up saying another person put hand.
The man, actually, it was not even the husband of the guy. She get 2 children, okay?
Yes.
The person where they say he do the thing for her. Now come later say because he want to sleep with the girl, they finally sleep with the girl.
The person where do the something for her want to sleep with her.
Exactly. One of the yes, the girl come say no. So now he come go tell her say, he not do again, so now you know. So the girl comes to say, no, me get this thing. And the girl comes to say, he get another person when he be sleep with. That time he cheats with this man. That time. So he don't know, so when I'm waiting, he don't know this person, I get, he just okay. After I do this one, I get close to her. Now you put her for the hand. So after 1 year, they didn't take it as anything. After 1 year, they give her the paper back. They're not guilty that they deport. So that woman, whatsoever he wants to do.
Because now blackmailing the woman they face, so blackmail. I mean, I don't like blackmail my person. It go last forever. Okay, what if the woman don't give her the something so because the woman they fear and the man can't they blackmail her because of financial need again tomorrow?
Exactly.
It continue because the blackmailer they don't stop until you cure blackmail problem. Now that one people don't know. Anything will be blackmail, they green, no they stop. Tomorrow you go know say you don't they fear money, you go come with money with other things.
Sometimes that your husband and your people want to do that. Make sure say you have to know that tomorrow things, this one are your children. So if they can't do this thing tomorrow, now your children now still do too. So what they do, you should just try and focus and make sure you make peace with the woman. Make they continue where they from start. All this trouble, trying to spoil the thing. If they spoil the thing, you know, so now your children in life, future and spoil so.
The raw truth, I believe the caller Beyonce. I believe her. Thank you. Let me listen to this person. Hello,
my lady.
AJ.
Now, just a quick one. More you hold me, please. Everyone in the house, I'm very sorry. 1 second, I just want to say something to her.
When you speak at but get when you speak at any AJ. Not annoying. Okay, Omana, later. Uti me. Okay, money and yet baby line more tea me. Nimo you speak ania. Okay, Oman. Alright, Sione.
Okay. My people, good evening, everyone in the house.
Good evening.
I just sorry for the way you speak, you know, say everybody the best way you speak out this corner. First and foremost, I applaud that woman. Jama not the craze. Opportunity owner get so that man we were dey Jama 15 years ago we not get that but now come the open man.
Yes.
That man he go deportation if they watch this platform now. He will go deportation. This document, they're not going to collect her for the woman hand.
Because that one be the blackmailing problem with the council.
Because you they blackmail this woman, account number 1. Account number 2, you come court, come take court, say now only one pikin you born. You don't take court.
And they not they take care of the second one, they take care of only the one where court no.
Yeah, you know they speak the second one, you know they support the second one.
No. If you buy something, you not they buy for the second one, they buy for only the first. If they buy for only the second one, not they buy for the first one where court no.
Good.
So you don't really like to judge. Only that one I know. You dey go a car. If you dey watch because this one now will be evidence you want to go. Now a car or you go meet yourself. Make the woman tranquilo. We go iron now inside her.
Thank you.
They're not the they're not the collect, the German not the close.
It's not even possible like that. Blackmail go last long for grand for life.
You don't give belly to 2 women. You are a distributor. You don't give belly to 2 women.
May this one go work now. Come give you the something where you want. The blackmail go continue.
When the people they talk, we just come and say give her paper, easy.
Oh my easy. I'm not talking when I
see. So they forbid drink. Which man will say me come and this one we don't have battle for grand? What are they think? If it's been a sister uncle, if it's been a mother uncle, so the man they mad. Instead of to go and apologize, say I beg.
You not go apologize. Just come out on a really give your mama up. No, ya pepe on na we me bene.
So this blackmail, this one not work. You not they give it paper, you not work. Then this one come they work to fast track your document. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Who will come they look the pikin? Now government go they look the pikin. You go they work here, work but they for here boy. Oglu iwabo, oglu owe.
That's your boy. That's your boy. Yeah, go trash him at an akiri. A man in a similar experience at Tiri. I'm you toy. We hold on.
Mama, we don't talk and you mama make sure you about a similar thing, no. Then what they are lying, what they are lying, a look by the day. A frustration when no when I am with deep in Ukuna, mine was stroking, mine was stroking tuberculosis by wow, you papa. Oh, me,
I couldn't because Ogbe Vavi one, he don't man do. All right, listen.
Mama, when they mark code there, because the video now is still a fear, yeah, where business to go work and I know, no.
I'm not telling you, by him, I'm not 20 years old. The cutter, I know when we back. So, Mamma, or see any man have a when the voice of Woody get in Latin. Eh, man, have a way, Mamma, the voice age or maybe the meuna. If not, I will say, yeah, the rebel not to go, but all me a video need that as evidence.
Okay, good, Mama. Okay, let's see what that people made us talk. So, we here with the watch. As is our way, like now.
As is our money. Hello.
Hello.
Eh?